Hey guys, how are you? This is Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter, and today, 7 reasons why you need to appoint a yacht broker when purchasing any sized yacht. The first reason is purchasing a yacht is a lot like real estate as opposed to buying a car, how many first-time buyers treat it. You can hire someone to act as your representative in your corner to protect your financial interest and make sure that you have an enjoyable experience. Best of all, this is done at zero cost, as they're compensated by a split of the seller's commission. So if you're not paying anything and you stand to save a lot, that's pretty much a no-brainer right there. They're gonna give you access to the historical sales information, which is the most important piece of information most buyers forget about or don't realize is available when buying a yacht. If a 2012 116-foot Azimuth sold for $5 million, there's no reason why the next buyer should be willing to pay anything more than that unless there's something significantly wrong with the one that sold or significant upgrades to the one that someone is currently buying. Your yacht broker is going to know off-market alternatives, maybe better options than what's currently out there. They can help you access that. They're going to have a market awareness. Why a given yacht has been sitting on the market for so long? Is it overpriced or is there things wrong with that? These are all key things that you wouldn't know on your own. So it really benefits you to work with a yacht broker on this end. Not to mention, after you buy the yacht, you're going to need to know the insurers, the registration agents, crew, captain. It really helps to have someone guide you and advise you to their network, their connections to ensure an enjoyable yacht ownership experience. And the last component of why you should always work with a yacht broker is they're licensed, bonded, and insured. Having the peace of mind that you'll be able to wire funds into their escrow account if there's any misrepresentations or any problems throughout the transaction, this provides a lot more safety to any buyer in any transaction. So if you don't have a yacht broker representing you yet, I'd obviously love to work with you, but in the meantime, head over to my website for more yacht purchasing resources at www.theyachthunter.com. But before doing that, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video as well. So, as always, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy yachting, my friends.